Well, we have some, oh, goodness, we've got some guests.
What is going on? Well, hello.
Hi.
How are
I'm so excited to see your beautiful face this morning.
Hi, how are you? Good to see you.
It's hard for me to get up.
You guys are wonderful.
Thank you. Come join us. And
Well,
hello.
Casey Wolf is here too.
Oh, hey, Casey. How are you, my friend? High
You know
five.
what?
High five. Oh,
Michael and
okay.
Michelle, we are celebrating 50 years in Kansas City. The Chiefs are, and we could not do that without personally stopping by and giving two of our very favorite personalities a personalized jersey.
Thank you.
So if you look at this, we have your last names on back in 50,
Oh my
and
gosh.
so we hope that you guys will support us and wear your red. This one's for
we
you
definitely will.
and Michelle. This is her last name. Back to you.
I love it.
Thank you guys so much for being supporters of the Chiefs, and we are just so
We
happy
love
to
the
drop these
Chiefs.
off to you.
Thank you so much. I will wear this all weekend.
Absolutely.
Except
Yes,
when
my
the
friend.
Tigers game.
Good to see you, yes.
So good to see you,
You too.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Thank you
thanks for
guys
coming in.
so
That's
much. Yeah.
Cheers.
Make sure you wear your red next Friday at our, we are doing, Red Fridays. We kick off our regular season.
Yes.
And so wear your red. We're going to be wearing red across town.
Oh my gosh, look at George.
Yeah, look at
What
this.
is going on over there,
Me
George?
too. Isn't that great?
Go, George. Go,
Whoa.
George.
I'm special. I'm put this on right now, okay? All right, we have a
he's got it on.
scrimmage. There's a game tonight, right? Green Bay Packers. Green Bay Packers. What do you think?
George, you're getting some love over there. I love it. Are you ready?
I'm
Get your
ready.
Chiefs on?
Yeah, I got my Chiefs. Yeah, thanks, man. Oh, makeup.
I think Casey
Makeup
Wolf's going to
person?
stay over there for
There you
all
go.
day.
Awesome.
Yeah, he's just sticking in the weather center all day.
So what kind of special things do you have going on?
Well, today we're doing a lot of deliveries because if you guys didn't know, in celebration of our 50 years, when season ticket holders came back this year, we actually gave them a personalized jersey. They could pick their name, they could pick their number, and we would send it to them.
50.
And the good news is, Kansas City, is there's still time to do that. So if you still want to get season tickets, you guys can do that, and we'll give you another jersey. So there's still time to do that. Go to KCChiefs.com for more information
Our
on that.
jerseys will have jerseys. That's awesome.
Exactly.
And the first Red Friday is coming up in a week. Anything we should know about that?
Just know that the city is going to be absolutely painted red. We are going to be
love it.
across town with ambassadors, cheerleaders, selling those magazines. The proceeds will go to Big Brothers Big Sisters, which we all love. And then that night we have our pep rally featuring our ambassadors, our players, our coaches, our staff, everything. 6:30 to 7:30 Power and Light District. But I hope you guys will sport your red and help spread that cheer that we are
I
in
got my
regular
red. I got my
season.
red. Michelle's got her red.
I love it.
Awesome.
Well, thanks for coming on the show.
Thank you
and thanks
guys
for
so
the
much.
gift.
I'm a hugger, so we got to hug again.
I'm a hugger too.
Thank you guys so much.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. Sugar. Good to see you.
Thank you.
Bye, guys. Thanks.
Bye.
And there is one more preseason game tonight. The Chiefs take on the Green Bay Packers at 6
How
o'clock.
awesome is
I
that?
love it.
That was
I love
nice.
it. And I don't have a Chiefs jersey.
I don't either. So.
George, are you loving your jersey?
Yeah, we're loving our jersey, and we're playing with our storm equipment too. So look, how hot is it going to be today? What's that? Oh yeah, okay. Steamy, 99 degrees. Why do
That's
I
a good
have this?
gesture.
Why do I have this ruler? Do you think? Oh, the phone's ringing. Hopefully that's not the
Why do you have the
boss's.
ruler? Because
Why
of
do you
1
have
inch
the
of
ruler?
rain, maybe?
Yeah, because we're going to be measuring rain tomorrow. Hopefully. We'll talk
Fingers
about that
crossed.
rainfall forecast coming up. All right, guys? Thanks.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.